Ukraine launched waves of drone attacks targeting oil and power facilities in western parts of Russia overnight on January 29, according to local officials. Drone strikes were reported across several Russian regions, including the Nizhny Novgorod, Smolensk, Tver, and Bryansk regions, causing fires and prompting air defense responses. While there were no reported casualties, an oil refinery in the city of Kstovo, Nizhny Novgorod, sustained significant damage. Local telegram channels reported that drones targeted the Lukoil Nizhegorod Nefteorg Zintez oil refinery, resulting in a large fire. Video footage circulating online showed flames at the facility, which local monitoring channels identified as the likely target of the attack. Governor Gleb Nikitin confirmed that air defense systems had shot down multiple drones, and fragments from the intercepted UAVs fell on the industrial site. No injuries were reported. In the Smolensk region, Governor Vasily Anokin reported a massive drone attack on civilian infrastructure. One drone was intercepted while attempting to strike a nuclear energy facility. Nearby, air defenses also destroyed several drones around the town of Andreapol, home to approximately 8,000 people in the Tver region, according to the local governor. The Russian Ministry of Defense also announced that air defense systems had shot down 26 drones in the Bryansk region. Bryansk lies west of embattled Kursk Oblast, north of Ukraine's Chernihiv and Sumy Oblasts, and east of the Belarusian border. Despite the scale of the attacks, no injuries or damage were reported in the area.
Где-то со спиртзавода хуярит. Или с Белами. Со старого моста кто-то летит. Идут раз оттуда летят. Во, где-то идет, это уже близко. Во, где-то здесь вообще, над нами. Ой. Вот он, ёпта. Ебать он какой, да ну нахуй. Ебать, как самолет, нахуй, ебать. Опять полетел туда. Ёпта, ты такой, нахуй, пятый, ёпта. Это уже пятый. 3 дома и 2 на улице. Глянь, я его заснял вообще четко.
An attack on the Novoshakhtinsk oil refinery in the Rostov region put the AVT-2.5 unit out of order, a significant blow. The oil refinery is still not operational. Satellite images published by Cyberbaroshno confirm a Ukrainian drone attack on the Novoshakhtinsky refinery in Russia's Rostov region, late December, has damaged the critical ELOU AVT-2.5 unit, vital for refinery operations. A group of Russians in a Niva truck tried to approach Ukrainian forces but hit an anti-tank mine. The lack of armor protection is literally killing the enthusiasm of the Moscow boys on the battlefield. Ukrainian mobile fire groups shooting down Shahed drones. Ombat operations in the area of responsibility of Air Command East on the night of January 28th. Out of 100 launched, 65 were shot down and another 28 were suppressed by electronic warfare. Fighters of the National Guard, Kryla Omega unit, destroyed 2 Russian BTR-82s along with their crews using FPV drones. Precision strikes in action. The BTR-82 is widely used by Russian forces in Ukraine as a primary armored personnel carrier. It has been deployed extensively in both frontline assaults and troop transport roles since the full-scale invasion began in 2022. However, its combat performance has been problematic due to vulnerabilities to anti-tank weapons, drones, and artillery fire. Let's have some fun with Russian propagandist Solovyev, because this is the only thing a clown is good for. If they want it so much, let them take our $300 billion of frozen Russian assets and give us everything up to Transnistria.
If they want, let them take our $300 billion deal with Trump and give us everything up to Transnistria. Yes, but for a day we are ready to buy. No, well, reasonably no. All right then, you resettle there, to Poland, wherever you want there, Hungary, Romania, up to Pridnestrovi, the Black Sea is ours. Quietly and calmly. To the Dnieper we are, and beyond we'll see. in my opinion, the ideal way to conclude.
A senior NATO official has confirmed that there was a Russian scheme to kill Armin Paperger, the head of German arms manufacturer Rheinmetall. The plot, which was foiled by United States and German intelligence, was part of a series of Russian plans to assassinate defense industry executives across Europe, according to NATO Deputy Assistant Secretary General for Innovation, Hybrid, and Cyber James Apathurai. It is the first time a senior NATO, German or American official has confirmed on the record that there was a plot to kill Paperger, which was widely reported on by global media outlets in July 2024. We have seen incidents of sabotage taking place across NATO countries over a period of the last couple of years, by which I mean derailment of trains, acts of arson, attacks on politicians' property, plots to assassinate industry leaders like publicly the head of Rheinmetall, but there were other plots as well, Apathurai told a European Parliament committee meeting on hybrid warfare Tuesday morning. According to Apathurai, the Russians recruit personnel for their plots online, using criminal gangs or unwitting youth or migrants to carry out the criminal acts. They are generally crudely done, but they are done with a purpose, which is to create disquiet, to undermine support for Ukraine, the NATO official added. Lithuania, which borders Russia, has officially re-established the first mechanized division of the armed forces, which succeeded the unit formed in 1775. Today, we are celebrating the inauguration of the divisional command and staff element. The restoration of the 1st Division of the Lithuanian Armed Forces on the basis of the divisional tradition of the Republic of the Two Nations marks a qualitative leap in the Lithuanian Armed Forces. We are expanding our capabilities to deter and defeat the enemy. With this step, we will not stop and will continue to expand the Lithuanian Armed Forces to ensure the security of the Lithuanian state and citizens, stated General Raimundas Vaikšnoras, commander of the Lithuanian Armed Forces. It is reported that the division will include the reserve brigades of the Lithuanian Land Forces Iron Wolf, Žemaitijos, and Aukštaitijos. In addition, the division will have air defense units, engineering, reconnaissance, and artillery units at its disposal. Brigadier General Aurelius Alasauskas has been appointed commander of the division. The new division headquarters will start operating this year and will be responsible for the military training of the units assigned to the division. It is planned to complete the formation of the division by 2030. The need to develop NATO's national divisions as the main tactical unit was officially raised at the 2022 NATO summit in Madrid and approved in Lithuania at a meeting of the National Defense Council in May 2023.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.